Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys the trophies that you can get from the Beaver Cup build challenge in Heartopia. So here is what they mean. I only got the approval certificate, which that means I didn't win anything. But basically, for instance, this one got the detailed Beaver's choice. So basically, it means that visitors stay for a long time in their house. So they get this certificate. Then Snapshot Beaver's Choice means visitors take a lot of photos in that build. Okay, we have the Heartstring Beaver's Choice, which means it has a high like rate. As you can see, this team, got 88 likes. And then for, which one am I missing? So Spotlight. Okay, so Spotlight Beaver's Choice is based on the number of visitors, and then this one's number of likes. So that's what it means if you are curious on what those rewards mean. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. Try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.